I'm going to demonstrate how to load a bag onto the GoGo Stik. You have two sides. You got one for grass and you got one for flat surfaces like concrete or perhaps the inside of your house and your kitchen floor if necessary. I'm going to load up the grass side. Got a bag with handles that I'm reusing. I'm going to grab the inside, put it in the head, make sure the handles are on the outsides or so. I'm going to take this and bring it right around the bottom edge there, like that. Then I'm going to pull this handle, go under the horn, and stuff it right into the gripper. Then I'm going to take this handle here, and I'm going to give it a little tug so it's tight there. And I'm going to stuff that into the gripper. Okay? So they're around the horns and they're into the gripper, and then I simply go like this. And see how snug that is? It's not going to come apart. Alright? So you'll notice that it's tucked under the head, and it's going under the arm here and here, pulling tight on each side. Now I'm all ready to rock and roll.